SP.Steel, one-stop seamless pipe solution. We are a quality-driven company. We are devoted to providing professional product manufacturing and service of seamless steel pipe. We have hundreds of business leads. Our products serve for petroleum, chemical, electric power, machinery and other industries, and we have partnerships with many well-known worldwide enterprises. We are a constituent company of Wuxi Group, and we adhere to the core values, strength, firmness, and kindness. We keep improving product value by our preciseness and innovation. We are professional, rigorous and harsh to every single task, from R&D design, raw material selection to each product line. All of the success get benefit from our efficient management system and well-established quality control system. We have introduced and developed ERP, QMS, and LP management systems to comprehensively improve our operation efficiency. We have implemented the 3-standard integrated management system to ensure the control of products' quality of whole process, and our team converges the industry elites in the field, who are experienced, rigorous, and enthusiastic. We have 380 employees, including over 30 senior engineers, senior economists, and other professional talents, who constantly improve the sales, R&D, processing, testing, and service system, and provide great intellectual support for building high-quality products with unremitting effort. A handy tool makes a handy man. SP.Steel has not only been successfully awarded many certifications, such as ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, IATF 16949 Quality Management System Certification, Occupational Health and Safety Management System Certification, Environmental Management System Certification, Manufacturer License of National Special Equipment, American API 5CT Product Certification, American API 5L Product Certification, ABS Product Certification, ASTM Standard Product Certification, EU PET Product Certification, EU AD 2000 Product Certification, EU CPR Product Certification, and others, but also obtained a number of patents for invention and utility models. And SP.Steel has been repeatedly awarded Contract Abiding and Trustworthy Enterprises, Excellent Enterprise Award, 3A Granted Enterprise, Advanced Collective, Good as Water, Good as Virtue. With the development over 10 years, SP.Steel always pays more attention to fulfilling social responsibility, insisting on efficient production, energy conservation, and emission reduction, while building first-class products. Starting from home by giving a piece of green to the society and harmony and insisting the concept. Steel pipe warms people's hearts. Starting from home by adding a harmony to the society. SP.Steel keeps caring and dedicating all things with its broad and deep mind, and making constant contributions, with a grateful heart to create a broad future. Through brand transmission and win-win value, SP.Steel series products are exported to more than 20 countries and regions, like North America, Europe, and Middle East, and its annual production capacity is 150,000 tons. We have 4 categories of seamless steel pipe production lines, which covering all specifications and special heat treatment lines. Hot-rolled production line mainly produce high-quality hot-rolled seamless steel pipe with an outer diameter of 60 to 159 mm. Main equipment includes rotary heating furnace, 2-row piercer, tungsten through-row reducer, SO pipe rolling machine, step reheating furnace, step cooling band, high-precision 9-row straightener, anti-current test machine, ultrasonic non-destructive test machine, high-efficiency pipe cutting machine, etc. Hot expansion production line mainly produce seamless steel pipe with an outer diameter of 168 to 1060 mm. Main equipment includes medium-frequency hydraulic pipe expander, hydraulic straightener, joint flow detector, hydraulic press. Curb rolling production line mainly produce outer diameter. All kinds of seamless precess steel pipe with an outer diameter of 6 to 89 mm. Main equipment includes 2 high curb rolling mill, automatic straightening machine, cold joint production line. Mainly produce all kinds of seamless precision steel pipes with an outer diameter of 50 to 235 mm. Main equipment includes 250T hydraulic cold joint machine, special heat treatment and pipe processing line. Main equipment include box-type heat treatment furnace, medium-frequency tapering line, hydraulic straightener, external shot blasting machine, internal and external machine of polishing pipe. Facing the new opportunities and challenges brought by the rapid development of the world, we are actively enterprising and accelerating innovation. With the advanced management and concept, high starting point, high standard and high demand of persistence and innovation, we stay hand in the industry. Our products open up channels for the smooth flow of petroleum and gas, provide guarantee for ocean development, and escort for the development of nuclear industry. Striving, firmness, and kindness. This is our internal tradition. This is our everlasting enterprise spirit. Striving culture and value growth. SP.Steel is on the way of pursuing world-class quality and building world-class factory.